It's 2025 and it's time to stop dreaming about that fitness lifestyle, okay? It's time to start doing it. It's time to own it. It's time to own your dream, but this is the year you're going to achieve it. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you practical tips to help you live this life consistently, how to live your gym lifestyle. You know, this year we've set the resolution that we're going to get our dream body. I trust you guys now. I know you've set that goal and I'm here to tell you how you can simply achieve it. I've been a gym girlie for 2 years now, and baby, when I tell you it's not easy to be consistent, it's not easy, but I have tips that would help you and guarantee your success in being a fitness girlie. Okay, I know it's possible you've tried before, you've started, you fell off, it's very possible, but these things I'm going to be sharing with you today are going to help you. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then just keep on watching. Love you. Mwah. So firstly, I want to start by saying that fitness is not a trend. Okay, so make sure you're getting into it for the right reasons. Make sure it's for you, okay? Make sure you know what you're going there for. If you're going for glutes, go. If you're going for anything, abs, just make sure you know your goal as you're going to the gym, okay? So if you're wondering at this point why you should prioritize your fitness, okay, baby, I'm going to tell you the confidence you get from being fit, the confidence you get from working out, and how productive you become is just next level. When you start with that idea that you're getting into it for yourself, for your benefits, it's going to go a long way for you, okay? Because you're going to be more invested, you're going to know your goals, you're going to know what you want from fitness, okay? So if by this point you're still wondering why you should prioritize your fitness, first of all, it gives you so much mental clarity. The confidence that comes with working out, the confidence in your feet, you know that you can jump as much as you want to jump. I'm not even talking about losing weight. Losing weight is another aspect, but like just the confidence of working out, you become so much stronger and you become so much more productive. Like, trust me, guys, like working out has literally changed me in ways I cannot even begin to explain to you. Like, your whole body posture actually changes. Like, there's so much benefit that comes with it, but baby, the confidence that comes with it when you get that dream body of yours, oh my god. Before you even get your dream body, and one thing for me is because I deal with body dysmorphia, right? So working out, as I'm losing weight, I'm thinking, oh, this is the weight I was before. I don't know how to explain it, but then I see myself, you know, getting into what I had in my mind, and I'm now getting into that shape because you kind of see yourself more, and then that confidence just comes in, okay? And gym is not just for weight loss. I hope we all know that. That gym is not just for weight loss, okay? Keeping fit is so important, okay? Try it and come back and tell me if it doesn't give you mental clarity. And then you become so productive, and because you're so fit, you're able to do more tasks than before. You're able to carry much more than you can carry. I mean, before I could not carry some heavy items, right? But right now, you don't want to even joke with me. You don't want to joke with me because, baby, I be carrying heavy stuff, and I'm looking at myself like, where did you get the strength from? From working out, from being fit. So these are things I think you should know to get your best result, okay? So number one thing to note is building a healthy relationship with food. Guys, I cannot even explain this. This has taken me literally like my whole fitness journey. I've been going to the gym for 2 years and I'm still figuring it out. Let me tell you, it is a lot. But trust me, it's for the betterment of you, okay? Build a healthy relationship with food, okay? Especially if you're into sugary stuff. If you have a sweet tooth, my dear, we're in it together. I'm still battling it out, but I'm so much better than before. Baby, if you see the jumps I used to eat before, so trust me, you can do it. It's not hard. It's hard, okay? It's hard. Let's be honest. Let's be truthful. But it's going to serve you in the long run. When you build that food, healthy food, you eat healthy food, whole foods, no sugar. Like, trust me, just cut out sugar from your diets for like 3 months. if you see the difference, I tried it for a month, so I'm telling you to try it for 3 months, like no sugar whatsoever, and everybody's going to come up to you and tell you, oh my god, you look so different, oh my god, this, everybody is going to notice. You can go ahead to meal prep. That will save you a lot of thinking time of what to eat and just going ahead to pick anything available at that moment. When you meal prep, you've already set your mind for this week, I'm going to eat this, I'm going to eat this at so time, okay? Especially if you're doing intermittent fasting, you know, at so time I'm going to eat this, and then I'm going to eat the snacks, maybe fruits or whatever. But trust me, if you do this one thing, it's going to change your entire fitness journey. So another thing I want to let you know is slowly but surely, okay? Do not be discouraged because you're seeing other people get their results very quickly, okay? Do not be discouraged one bit. And I'm talking to my girlies, especially the ones that have the endomorph body types, like I do have, okay? I want you to know that it's very easy to get discouraged, okay? But do not compare yourself to other people. If you start comparing your journey to other people, you're going to get You're going to get demotivated very quickly, okay? Because you have to understand that everybody have different metabolism. Everybody have different way they lose fat very quickly. Yours might be slower than other. Who cares? Like, who cares? As long as you know you're doing the right thing, you have to make sure you're doing the right thing though. As long as you know you're doing the right thing and you're being consistent, just keep going. You're going to see the result one day. You might not see it at a glance, but you're going to look back and you're going to see that result pile up so quickly, okay? So just do it over the years. I've been consistent in the gym for 2 years, okay? And baby, when I tell you that sometimes especially when you're in that period, that circle of the month, and your body's just being all, you know, your hormones are all over the place, and my hormones are imbalanced in the first place. So now imagine them when they're all over the place and then you're just bloated. You might feel some type of way, but do not think about it. Do not be discouraged. Just keep going. Trust me. So another thing I would like to share with you that I think would really help you kickstart your journey is investing in the gym. Baby, just do it. Okay? Especially if you have the funds too. If you don't have the funds, it's okay. Okay? You can walk. You can take a walk. You can, use YouTube. Okay? There are different programs on YouTube you can watch. Alright? But if you have the funds, just invest in the gym. I can't lie to you. If it's good, I will say it's good, okay? Okay, the gym will just really help you. And if you're going to the gym, invest in the gym. Get your creatine, get your supplements, get new gym wears. I don't even know how to explain what new gym wears does to me. Once I get new gym wears, once my outfit looks good, my workout is going to be good. No matter whatever the enemy has said that day, trust me, my workout is going to come out so nice. When you're dressed really well, you feel really confident, okay? And once you feel really confident, you're there, you're working out, you're slaying everybody like, what? Okay, so make sure you take that piece of advice. Trust me, okay? So another thing I want you to know that it's okay to start again and again and again and again, louder and again. Okay, it's very okay. Learn to forgive yourself as much as you give people, as much as you forgive people. Learn to forgive yourself also. It's okay to start all over again. This is not my first rodeo. Like, in any way, I've gone to the gym. I've gone to like 4 different gyms before I started being consistent on this one. This is not my first time, okay? So just make sure you start. If you fail, you start again. It's not bad. Trust me, it's not bad. If today you ate biscuits, okay, I'm talking from experience. If you ate biscuits today, don't punish yourself by saying, oh, let me just keep on. It's okay, go and detox. Go and detox and clear that sweet tooth away. Drink something. It's like you're piling the bad on the bad. No. Okay? It's okay when you do bad, you pile yourself with good, but the bad will go. It will wash out initially. Do you get me? So do not let that be your case when you're thinking, oh, I fucked up. Start again. Start again and again and again and again. It's fine, okay? Trust me, it's totally fine. So if you're going to the gym, let me tell you, there's something you should know. You're going to feel pain, okay? I saw this conversation on Twitter the other day, or the X app, like we call it now. You're going to feel pain just keep going. Okay, just keep going, because if you don't go and you wait it out and then you go again, you're still going to feel that pain. But when you go the next day, the pain is going to reduce. I just said I should let you guys know. So if you're going to the gym, just keep going. Just keep being consistent. The thing is that you might go the next day and not do as much as you did the previous day. Okay? So I just thought to let you on that secret. So another thing I think you really need to consider is creating a routine that you can stick to. A routine that you can follow and keep up with over time. Okay? So make sure to create your routine around your fitness goals. Okay? So make sure it's something you can follow. Do not just start without a plan to further ahead. Do you get me? Because if you start with a routine, you're going to fall off eventually. But when it's a routine, you've created it, make time for it. Trust me, something you can make time for it. If it's just 20 minutes, 15 minutes, it's fine. Over time, you can begin to incorporate more time as you're allowed to. Okay, that's totally fine. All right. So make sure you create routine. Make sure it becomes a lifestyle. Okay, that's the only way it's going to be a lifestyle for you, if you create a routine that you can stick to. All right. So another advice I would have for you is to have an accountability partner. Okay. This might not be possible if you're not really the type that, have a lot of people around you, but you just need one person, honestly. Be it at the gym, be it if you're working, whatever you're doing, just find someone you can be accountable to. I have an accountability partner. My sister at the gym has an accountability partner, because it just helps you. It helps you always be in check. Always, if you're not at the gym, for me, if I'm not at the gym for a week, I have people calling me, where are you? What's happening? Where have you not shown up? That gives you that sense of community, of not just going to the gym, but also to the gym to kind of, hang out, and also, it just puts your mind at ease. You don't think of it as if, oh, I'm going to sleep, or I'm going to carry weight, or something like that. It becomes a fun place for you to actually go to and for you to enjoy. Okay, so I'm talking in the aspect of the gym, because my fitness is more in the gym. Okay, but just find an accountability partner that would be accountable for you, help you when you're feeling overwhelmed. Okay, we'll make sure you're always sticking to that goal. So last but not the least, my lovelies, is for you to celebrate your little wins, your small wins. Okay, celebrate them. I wish I knew this when I was starting out, and because I did have body dysmorphia, so most of the time I felt I did look the same way. I don't know how to explain that, but it's just, if you have this, you can relate. I just felt, so I really did not celebrate, and over time I stopped climbing scale, because sometimes I would climb and so it was really discouraging for me. But now, baby girl, I celebrate my small wins. If I see I look good, I'm like, you're doing well. I get myself something nice. I get myself something nice. And just friend, my boyfriend gets me something nice too. So if you have someone around you, make sure they celebrate your small wins, okay? Because it's not easy. It's not easy, okay? So make sure you celebrate it, big or small, it doesn't matter. It's very okay for you to start small and then progress. It's very, very okay. So if you lost 1 kg today, why not? Celebrate it. If you're able to carry 20 kg and do goblet squat or do any squat, celebrate it, because it's not easy. We all know it's not easy. Do you know what it is to squat very well? It's not easy. Celebrate yourself. Celebrate everything. If you're able to close your ring for a whole month, celebrate it. Why not? Why not? And I just want to throw in there that make sure you're celebrating it without food or without junks. Okay, not like without food, without junks. Make sure you're not going out of your goal. Okay, so don't say because you're celebrating you're not doing cheat day on me. No, I did not say that. Okay, so make sure you're celebrating without food. You can get yourself nice gym wears. You can get yourself nice workout clothes. That's it. You can take yourself on a spa date, treat yourself, look good. That's more like it. You get me? So yes, make sure to celebrate yourself at every point you get to. So my lovelies, I'm really hoping these tips will help you stay consistent this year, because baby, it has taken me through and through. Okay, my years of being consistent, these were the things I've learned, and I'm sharing it with you to help you also get to your goals this year. This year I'm going harder. Like the way I'm even going harder, Steph, the way I'm meal prepping, I'm detoxing, I'm drinking what I should drink, I'm eating what I should eat, no soft carbonated drinks. I've made sure that I am more disciplined with myself. And I did not start here, okay? I didn't start here. By this time last year, I was really far from here. My eating habits were really terrible, okay? But you have to start gradually. You have to start. That's it. Just start. That's it. Don't even think about it. Just start right now. And when you start, you begin to see that over time you're able to, add more progress. And that's it. And over time it becomes your lifestyle. It becomes something you do every day because you've started really slow, and now your body is used to it. You're used to, oh, this is what I should. You even become disgusted at some stuff because you might not even be disgusted. Let's not lie to ourselves. Let's not lie to ourselves. You might not be disgusted, but like if find out that you cannot eat as much as you were eating before. Even if you try to eat biscuits, you cannot eat before. I don't want to come and spread my secrets on the app, okay? I don't want to come spread my secrets here, but before, oh my God, it was really terrible. But over time now, there are some things I cannot even finish. Even if I said, let me eat from it, I can't finish it because my body is no longer used to that. So make sure you have that in mind, okay? So my lovies, I really hope this tip I've shared with you is going to help you in your fitness journey. It's going to help you become better, okay? It's going to help you become a better you. Let me know in the comment section if you have more tips to give us. Don't be shy. Drop it in the comment section. Let me know your journey also if you're also in a journey like me. All right, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah. Bye.